How to make money on Facebook. Nearly half the world population is on social media, and Facebook alone has over 2 billion monthly active users as of June 2017. This creates a very large online market pool that many people have been are still making money from with no investment. If you are one of those wondering how to earn money from Facebook without investment, then you are on the right track because this article is for you. You do not have to worry about traffic or population like running a website for e-commerce because of the many active users on Facebook. It is easy achievable if you follow those steps and recommendation in the articles. When then you just might join the pool of those that earn money rather than only log on the social reason. What you have to before you can make money on Facebook. Making money on Facebook is not straightforward process, and neither is it magic that you can conjure overnight. Although you do not have to invest a single penny, you needed to invest your time, diligence, and the dog in trying to earn money. Here are the foundation to lay first. Grow your number of friends. Facebook has a limit of 5,000 friends, and you recommend that you exceed this amount. Be committed to doing this because sending and responding to 5,000 friends requests will not be easy. Create a Facebook page and get a lot of likes. Creating a page is very simple, and you can do it under 10 minutes. However, getting people to likes and follows it is more difficult. Therefore, their page must have good content and be engaging. People follows buzzing page without being asked. Create a group and grow your member database. The next step is for you to create a group and add as many friends as you can. The best thing about Facebook group is that members can run it, and you do not always have to be the one posting update. Although we recommend you maintain the quality of the group by keeping spam post out. 8 ways you can make money on Facebook. Number one, drive your Facebook page traffic to blog at a cost. Number two, start affiliate marketing. Number three, create a simple Facebook app. Number four, start Facebook marketing through influencer and marketing. Number eight, number five, get people to pay for sponsor, like and share. Number six, publish videos on Facebook. Number seven, sell your personal product on Facebook. Number eight, sell your Facebook page.